Okay, in order to add video files, it's very similar. So I've taken the same page and I've changed audio files to video files here. We'll change this list item to say checkbox, because I'm going to use the checkbox video that I made earlier. And as you can, let's take all of this out. Take the audio out entirely. And as you can probably guess, the tag for video is video. Okay, so, but there's an additional thing you have to define when you're adding a video, which is the width and height dimension of your video player. So I'm going to choose probably the smallest standard size you normally see, which is 320 by 240. Put in the width equals 320 in quotes. The height equals 240 in quotes. And then we again use the controls tag to let it know to put in video controls. Okay, so as you can see, it's put in the video controller. There's a bad tag here, but we'll get to that. And it's got the closing video tag there, opening and closing video tag. Problem is, just like with the audio tag before, there is no we have to define what the source video is. So in our media folder, I have put the video for the checkbox video that I made earlier. And so again, we'll put in source to define the source. The element is src equals quote, and then the folder is in the media folder, and then you can see the immigrant song is there, and the checkbox form MP4. MP4 is one of the preferred video file types. So, but it's not just enough to define which source file it is. We also have to tell it what the source file is. So again, we need to use the type element to tell it the type is a video and that the kind of video it is an MP4. Now we just have to close the tag there, and let's figure out what's up. It's gone. It is updated. So there it is. Let's save that, and then we'll preview it in a browser. Let's preview it in Firefox this time. And as you can see, there is the checkbox video. If I click on it, it'll play. And I can full screen it here, and I can control the volume here. And there is the runtime and the slider here. So that's basically all there is to it. Now you know how to add both an audio and a video file to your web page.